Welcome to the chapter 10 of the Three Flowers. If you haven't watched the previous 9 chapters, then you should watch them for better understanding of this chapter. And you have watched them, then let's start with what Pratik's conversation end up with. After conduction of wonderful and successful guidance of Raghav, it's time to see what the second Pratik has been guided. Pratik started his conversation with his lady mentor. Hi ma'am, I am Pratik. I am from Maharashtra and I am totally confused of what to do in life. I like many things to do like math, statistics, commerce, business, collecting facts and many more. But I can't find a single thing to do in even after entering 12th. I feel stressed whenever I see that my friends have decided to be an engineer, a doctor, or have at least found what they want in life. I am still confused. Sometimes I want to be stand-up comedian, sometimes public speaker, sometimes director and whatnot. I am just not focused on what I want to do. And that's the reason why I have lost interest in studies too. I believe in multiple passions, but in I have never found a thing to start. I know that it would be a very question to answer, but I will ask, what should I do right after 12th is over? And the mentor started her conversation. Okay, I understood your problem. You just don't know what to do but have many fields that you expect yours to be in. Means there are just your desires. See with life, find 3 P's is very important. Profit, passion and purpose. You are in a condition that you don't know what to do just next. Don't worry, it's common. 2 out of 3 people don't know their passion. So in Eastern culture, people search for profit in Western side they try to find passion. So it's equally possible to make any of them your first priority. But in your situation, I would guide you to choose profit. Profit will come to you by doing things that you think you can make a living. And if that steals your heart, you will end up finding your passions. But the end goal should be the purpose, and that shouldn't be for yourself. In a population of 7 billion, what could you contribute to this society? This should be that question. And in the way, life moves on. So now after passing 12th, if you need to pursue a degree, take in a subject which comes to your mind naturally and effortlessly, and try different things almost in your early 20s and late 10s too. This is my advice to you. That's great doubt solving, ma'am. But can I just know why I am not able to see your face? That's because you and other two will personally meet us. Okay ma'am, thank you for your guidance. This was Pratik's conversation. In chapter 11 we will hear the conversation of Sakshi. Till then, stay tuned. Thank you.